Video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can change your Roblox profile picture. So what you will have to do once you're on your Roblox app homepage is you will go ahead and click more, which is on the left bottom of your screen. And now that you're here, you will basically just go to your profile, and then you will have to click edit profile. And now that you're here, you will just have to click this icon right here, and then now you can basically just click this, which is and now what you will have to do is pick your emote. So this is basically the emote that that will be visible on your profile picture. So just choose any pose that you want. So for example, I would want this post, so just go ahead and click next. And now what you will have to do is adjust the position, adjust it on how you would want other people to view your profile picture. You could rotate it, you could zoom it, and yeah, that's basically just it. And then once you're satisfied with your profile picture, just go ahead and click next. And yeah, that's it. And now you have your profile picture. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.